Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Today's video is about digital marketing, campaign planning of social media. Planning for how digital media are used includes both short-term campaigns to support a particular goal such as launching a new product, promoting a sale or encouraging prospects to attend an event, and longer-term always-on or continuous e-communications. Activities which review the best mix of communications to use to drive visitors to a site and achieve the main outcomes for the site, such as product sales, for a retailer, lead generation, for a business-to-business company, engagement with a brand or subscriptions or ad revenue, for an online publisher or consumer brand. Chaffee and Smith, 2012, refer to the relevance of timing for traffic building. They say, some e-marketers may consider traffic building to be a continuous process, but others may view it as a specific campaign, perhaps to launch a site or a major enhancement. Some methods tend to work best continuously, others are short-term. Short-term campaigns will be for a site launch or an event such as an online trade show. A similar sentiment is expressed on the Alliance and Leicester, which refers to use of drip as against burst communications. Speaking to New Media Age, 2006, Graham Finley, Customer Acquisition Manager at Bank Alliance and Leicester, now part of Santander, highlighted the importance of continuous e-communications when he said, "A big part of my team's job is to continually monitor traffic to and from our sites. We work to maintain the bank's profile. Some of our competitors don't always have a full online presence, settling instead for bursts of activity. That's certainly not our strategy." Planning for digital media includes both short-term campaigns to support a particular goal such as launching a new product, promoting a sale or encouraging prospects to attend an event, and longer-term always-on or continuous e-communications activities which seek to tap into consumer intent for products and services as they search for information about brands, suppliers, and reviews to inform their decision. Always-on communications review the best mix of communications investment to use to drive visitors to a site and achieve the main outcomes for the site, such as product sales, for a retailer, lead generation, for a business-to-business company, engagement with a brand or subscriptions or ad revenue, for an online publisher or consumer brand. The characteristics of digital media. 1. From push to pull. Traditional media such as print, TV, and radio are push media, one-way streets where information is mainly unidirectional, from company to customer, unless direct response elements are built in. In contrast, many digital marketing activities like content, search, and social media marketing involve pull media and inbound marketing. Among marketing professionals, this powerful new approach to marketing is now commonly known as inbound marketing, introduced in Chapter 1, Shaw and Halligan, 2009. Inbound marketing is powerful since advertising wastage is reduced. It involves applying content and search marketing to target prospects with a defined need. They are proactive and self-selecting. But this is a weakness since marketers may have less control than in traditional communications, where the message is pushed out to a defined audience and can help generate awareness and demand. Advocates of inbound marketing argue that content, social media, and search marketing do have a role to play in generating demand. The implications are that stimuli to encourage online interactions are still important through online or traditional ads, direct mail, physical reminders, or encouraging word of mouth. Push from email marketing remains important, and as part of the inbound or permission marketing approach, it should be an aim of websites and social media presences to capture customers' email addresses in order that opt-in email can be used to push relevant and timely messages to customers. 2. From one-to-many to one-to-some and one-to-one. Traditional push communications are one-to-many, from one company to many customers, often the same message to different segments and often poorly targeted. With digital media one-to-some, reaching a niche or micro-segment becomes more practical. E-marketers can afford to tailor and target their message to different segments through providing different site content or email for different audiences through mass customization and personalization. Figure 8.3 illustrates the opportunities for mass customization as interaction occurs between an organization, O, communicating a message, M, to customers, C, for a single-step flow of communication. It is apparent that for traditional mass marketing in a single message, M1, is communicated to all customers, C1 to C5. 3. The medium changes the nature of standard marketing. Communications tools such as advertising. 4 of the elements of the model that can constrain the effectiveness of internet marketing are 1. Encoding. This is the design and development of the site content or email that aims to convey the message of the company and is dependent on understanding of the target audience. 2. Noise. This is the external influence that affects the quality of the message in an internet context. This can be slow download times, the use of plugins that the user cannot use, or confusion caused by too much information on screen. 3. Decoding. This is the process of interpreting the message and is dependent on the cognitive ability of the receiver, which is partly influenced by the length of time they have used the internet. 4. Feedback. This occurs through online forums and through monitoring of on-site behavior through web analytics. Thanks for watching. Press the bell icon and subscribe for latest videos.